Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming eligibility. Check the ticket type and fare rules because not all fares refund fully. Once you find the PNR and payment record, make sure your account is logged in or you have the confirmation email open. Gather ID and the card used to pay, since you will need exact details for refunds. Do this now so you avoid back and forth. It speeds approvals and prevents errors during the cancellation form. Now submit the cancellation request through the official app or website. If you prefer, visit the ticket office and hand the agent your PNR. When prompted, choose the full refund option and pick the original payment method to avoid delays. Upload receipts or ID documents if required, and then copy the cancellation reference number. Once submitted, expect a confirmation message. Make sure to save screenshots or email. You finish by tracking the refund status in your account and monitoring the original payment method. Refunds often take several business days, so be patient. If the refund doesn't appear within the carrier's stated window, contact support with the PNR, cancellation reference, and payment proof. Make sure to escalate to your bank or file a formal dispute if needed after that window. Troubleshooting tip: if denied, ask for a written reason and save all messages. Use them to dispute or appeal the decision.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.